Today is a huge day for me. I'm down at IRL Autoworks in Sedona, Arizona, picking up the Baja bug. This has been a top secret project that has been going on for a couple months now, and we have put in a Honda K24 JDM engine into the Baja bug. We've gone from about 36 horsepower up to about 211 horsepower. Take a look at this beautiful motor installed right here at IRL Autoworks in Sedona, Arizona. Heck yeah, this thing is next level. I have not seen another Baja with a K24 in it just like this. So this is something unique that you're not gonna see anywhere else on YouTube, really. This is a project that I picked up about 4 or 5 months ago. It had a stock Volkswagen motor in it that was clapped out. It was just tired, and we rebuilt that and put it into a different bug, but this bug went wild. We went with a Honda 2.4 liter. It's out of like a 2004 or 5 Honda RSX, and it is a badass motor. This thing, it's 211 horsepower with VTEC. It's got a bunch of custom parts that Michael has installed into this. Michael is the genius that is behind this whole project. He figured out all the ins and outs, figured out how to get it wired into this ancient car. It's a 67 Baja Volkswagen, and it's all hooked up. It's got an ECU now, modern wiring, everything is running. It's like, it's done. It's ready for the road. So everything is all good. I'm about to take it home, taking it back to Williams, Arizona, and I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff on this car. But just look at that beautiful motor. It is incredible. The power increase on this motor is just insane. Going from 36 horsepower up to 211 horsepower. It's all stock right now, naturally aspirated. Turbo, things like that may come in the future, but I don't think I'm going to need anything for a really long time. One thing about this is that I can hook up an air conditioner and pipe in everything for a modern AC unit and really have a very comfortable car. This car is like a retro mod type of car. It's got modern components and a classic look. So I'm excited about it. It's being turned into a mini camper. It's going to have a bed platform inside. It's got solar power on the roof. Everything is it's going to be made for lots of fun adventures in the backwoods. You know, just I can't wait. I can't wait to go drive it around. I haven't driven it yet, so we'll take it for a test drive in just a moment here. There we go, we got the K24 motor in the back. Everything is all set up. This is the first drive. my first drive in the Bug, putting my first tank of gas in it. I'm gonna be running this on 91 octane. These cars just demand attention. This is the first place I've been to. The very first person that saw it already had all sorts of comments about the Honda motor and the Bug and all that. They're great cars. Everybody loves them. So my first drive in the Bug was awesome. I've only gone half a mile from the shop to the gas station because I wanted to put a full tank of gas in it before I ran out, because he said it was very low. Putting some nice, fresh, high octane gas in here. And it was great. It's a little scary because it's not totally like, you know, I have to do some stuff. I have boxes in the way. It's kind of like, you know, it's a little bit, yeah, it's a little bit crazy. All right, so I put 6.5 gallons in, and it's full, totally full. Hi. Good, how are you? Thanks. I just picked it up today. This is my first drive. Yep. So I just put a Honda motor in it. So it's got 211 horsepower as opposed to the 36 that it came with. So
is that a K-Series?
Yeah.
That shit's clean, man.
Thank you.
I like it.
Heck yeah.
Badass.
This is the first stop I've ever made. I've already had 5 people talk to me about it.
Badass, man. I like it.
Yeah, we put the K-Series in there because
Man, that's time. I'll look it up, man.
yeah,
That's
look
the
up
beach.
Breadtrucker.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, man. Everybody notices this car immediately. Seriously, just had 5 people talk to me about this car. I just made it on my first drive all the way up from Sedona into the Oak Creek Canyon, and we are in Flagstaff right now, and the Bug's doing great. It's running a little bit on the hot side, but I need to get an overflow tank for this radiator and get a little bit more fluid in there, I believe. But it's been running good. It's super fast, nice and smooth. Everything with it is going really good, and it's been a blast to drive. I'm so glad to have it back, and it is awesome. The Bug is doing great. Ellie's riding with me. She's following me, making sure nothing happens, and there she is. Hello. Hello. I'm so glad to have it back. This is my little daily driver, grocery getter, and towed for behind the bread truck. 1967 Bug with a Honda K 24 motor in the back. It's amazing.
Okay, let's go. The sun's going down.
We gotta go.